Okay, today we're going to talk about how to run an accessibility check in Excel. So first we're going to our Excel document right here, and you see mine is blank, but we'll just start somewhere. So we're going to go and we need to check to make sure that it is the most current Excel type workbook, and this one is not. So if you go to the File tab, I'm going to go back, go to File, and go to the info in the first column on the left. Right here in the middle column, it says compatible mode. If you just click on that, it will convert it to the newest version. So it's a file, and now it's the newest version. So we're going to go to a document that actually has stuff on it. See, it's full of things. So to do the accessibility check, you go to File, to Info. On the menu on the left, the center column right here, we're going to look for Inspect Workbook, check for issues, click on that little drop-down arrow next to that check for issues, and we're going to choose Check Accessibility. Once we do that, on the right side of our spreadsheet, we have the accessibility checker has showed up, and we have warnings on this one. There's actually no errors on this sheet, but there is some warnings. And it's telling us that we have merged cells. So like this cell right here, A4 through A11 is a merged cell. A12 through 16 is a merged cell. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to unmerge these. Just go up here and click Merge and Center. We're taking that off. And as you can see, it didn't even make any difference whatsoever in the looks. Again, take it off. Looks exactly the same. So a lot of times people just do this because they think they need to, and they really don't. Okay, so now we have no accessibility issues found. Down here in the additional information, it would tell us why we need to correct, why fix it, how to fix it. So you can easily just read those and fix it from there. And now we know how to run accessibility check in Excel.